Hi, Lynn Sharp here. Most people I know that I love a couple of foods. One, a quesadilla, and the other one is cheesecake. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put those two items together and make a cheesecake quesadilla. Stay tuned. This is Eating Sharp. Welcome back. So, to make the cheesecake part of this cheesecake quesadilla, I took an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and blended it with 1 egg and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then what I did is I liberally put it on 1/2 of the tortilla. Hold on and I'll show you that part next. Welcome back. I have the tortilla right here, and I can show you how much I put on there. See, I put it on pretty good. It was blended really well so that it's nice and smooth. My flat top here is set at 350. We're just going to put this right on there. We're going to add some cinnamon and sugar mixture. I also put a little nutmeg into this. It just gives it a better flavor than just the cinnamon and the sugar. Next, I'm going to put on some raisins. You can put on nuts, leave it plain, or you can add raisins and nuts. You can really build these any way you would like, kind of like you would for a cinnamon roll. So once I get these on here, the raisins, we'll go ahead and close this over. Just like that. I'm going to push it down just a hair so that the cheesecake will then also adhere to the top of the tortilla. So I'm going to brown this about 3 minutes each side. Stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product when we return. Welcome back. I've taken the tortilla off the grill, and as you can see, it really browned up nice. Both sides are nicely browned. The center in here has puffed up a little bit because of the egg in the cream cheese. Now remember, you can add anything you want to the center of that with the cream cheese mixture. You can do caramel, chocolate, Nutella, peanut butter, bananas, fruit. You can really build these any way that you would like to serve to your family and friends. I have one done already. Let's take a look and have a taste. Here it is. You can see the raisins in there and the cream cheese with the cinnamon and sugar. Let's have a taste. Wow. They're crispy on the outside and really have that richness of cheesecake in the center. So remember, until next time, it's all about the food. Bye-bye now.